The U.S. economy grew a solid 3% in the second quarter as the economy remains strong. The Fed will be closely watching the PCE index. That's an inflation gauge coming out today. Let's bring in Michele Schneider, the chief market strategist at MarketGauge. With so much happening, Mich, what are your three keys to trading the market?
Well, key number one, and maybe two and three, is really what's going to happen with the long bonds, because at this point we had the Fed lower and yet the yields rise. So people are going, well, how does that happen? Well, partly because a lot of it was baked into the market already, and partly is the reason why we're seeing a lot of money going back to growth. So here's why TLTs are so important. If they turn around, and they should, because they've broken out of a 2-year business cycle contraction into expansion, they just could be taking their time. If the long bonds rally, TLT, and the yields come down, that may put our growth stocks back more into a sideways type of action and wake up some of the key areas for us to get really super optimistic, like the retail sector, which has been consolidating near the highs, transportation, same thing, and the same thing with the small caps. And essentially, this great rotation people are anticipating will depend on A, what happens with the rates. They have to come down and the bonds have to go up. And B, if that doesn't necessarily spark a whole new cycle of inflation in commodities, and we're also on track for watching that as well.
What would be a trade of the day for you?
I want to look at Vietnam again. It's a smaller country, obviously, not China, but they've had their share of issues, and it was reflected in the ETF. And now it's sitting right around a very key technical area, which would be the 200-day moving average, with a bullish divergence in momentum. So that tells me if we can get a couple of closes here up above this 1280 level, we have a lot of potential to the upside.
Have a great trading day, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.